Is it working? I just got a message from YouTube saying like Livestream broke or something. Uh, oh, here we go, maybe. Okay, it's working, it's working. Good morning. Why is it echoing? Okay. News was kind of crazy. Look at this. Good morning, Marcus. Good morning. So news actually perfectly. Well, I say perfectly. Let's see how far below the fractal it came. Came 1.5 handles below this fractal that we were waiting for all of yesterday's stream. We wasn't waiting for it the whole stream, but we were. If we tapped into it here, we wanted a sweep of this, and all this, and a bounce out. But I literally waited like the whole day. I had an alert set here for the whole day, and we never came back to the zone. But literally, this is where news bounced off. I also said that like all this hadn't been mitigated. That's why we're looking for a bounce out of it. And news literally tapped into it, and yeah. I am kind of curious what the slippage would be like if you were to buy stop this. Because on my chart it was literally just jumping like 30 handles a time. Top of the range, yeah. So it's gonna mark this for now. We also have this fractal here. Potential for this. Hmm. I'm just gonna move it to here because this top half did get mitigated, and also we'd like to see a sweep, so we need a zone below our sweep. Um, put 10:30 on the chart. So higher time frame. This was our previous zone. I'm gonna get rid of all this. This was our previous zone that we came out of, the low to the high, from yesterday's, just before yesterday's news. So I do have this bit. This is the 50% of this zone which we could be coming up to mitigate, up into here, as it's this one. And we do still have this zone above that we just missed the 50% of yesterday, just before news, the week before news. And then also something that I noticed from top down was this double bottom here. And we have these two double bottoms. So we ran the high that belonged to this one here, and the high that belongs to this low is all the way up here from news. So there's the potential that we could be running this news high maybe from the double bottom. That'd be a powerful double bottom. 400 handles though. But right now I'm kind of just watching to see if we come back within the 50% of this. Into potential of sweep into here and to see it continue up would be what I'm interested to see. Good morning, Reaper. Pull up a couple of streams of my own. Good morning, Richard. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Let's see how the goat Nutty's doing. Nutty's account is set at 52.1k. He's close, man. I believe in him. He's got this. You don't want to be taking anything in the middle of this range. This would be middle of your range. Good morning. Good morning. Anyone took any trades yet? Or you're also rating for 10:30? I'm not gonna lie. If we do see this sweep, I'd kind of be tempted to do it, but I'm gonna wait for 10:30. I'm gonna stay to my rules. But we are just in a range right now. So just extremes in a range. So we want to see a sweep of perhaps these highs here, or a sweep of this low here. And then all you want to be doing is trying to trade it back within to the range. You don't want to try and trade it out. Go arrow. I was watching at this news, but like I said, I have no idea what the slippage is like if you try and I was considering a buy stop. I was going to wait to see something come down here and just buy stop any of these candles, and I was would have been crazy. I probably would have got like filled here. I definitely would have got filled all the way up here. We get no stream from Dave today, unfortunately, in the group. Let me open my Ninja Trader. Bitcoin came up into the zone. Damn, if he was flying 45. Good night. William. 10 minutes. I hit like my highest views yesterday, and that was without Dave shouting me out. So my first two streams he reposted on Twitter. we must have been busy or something yesterday, and I still hit like 80 something views. It was kind of crazy. Why my Ninja Trader is bugging out. Showing like a million execution arrows. Okay, it's fixed. I hate trying to anchor stuff on Ninja Trader, it just does not work. Peach and Kyle, yeah, he's here until 10:30. DJ and Kari wants to take a sweep prior to 10:30. Might get him his own account. See how far he can run it up to, or how quick he can blow it. I don't know if anyone's seen. There's this Twitter account. Is it something burner? Here we go. There's this Twitter account. I am not Dave. I am Rave, twin brother of Dave Teaches. This is DJ and Dave. Babe, please stop shouting. It's not going down. Please stop. Is that right? Money double tap. uh, yeah, it's funny. I saw this the other night. I don't know if Dave actually made this or this is someone else, but if someone else made that, fair play. Okay, we just got the sweep. That was a weird wick. Heavy ranges really this week. Ninja Trader shows a massive wick on this candle. It's kind of weird. So we are at this unmitigated fractal, and beneath there, which just news. So yeah. I feel like if we lose this, this whole area we could be coming back to. Because I believe, okay, so there is a fractal here also. I'm just gonna mark this, because if we lose this, we could be screwed. In terms of coming back and like rebalancing the news. Let's see if we trade up above this candle here, which 3950. So that's how the buy stop would be, but the stop loss would be so big on it. It looks like we could be cooking this, so potential for so let's see the last fractal we have. This one. Which you've just tapped into. Dave is going live, by the way. I'm going to stream, but those who are currently streaming can stay on their own stream. Stream without my question is boring stream. If Dave does go live, I will be ending mine. I will end mine to go watch Dave, and then I'll probably start up after Dave's stream. Usually streams for like 90 to like 2 hours, kind of, most of the time. But yeah, if Dave is gonna go live, I'm gonna he's live in 12 minutes. We'll see you there. Yes, for sure. Hell yeah, Ghost. Dave is going live in 13 minutes. Yeah, at 10:30. It's actually live on YouTube, so yeah, I'm not gonna miss Dave's stream. I didn't actually know he was gonna go live. Why? He only decided 5 minutes ago because ICT wasn't going live. was ICT meant to? When the goat speaks, you listen. Yeah. If it's not too much, can I ask how the counting of swings works and how does the lower time frames and the current fit into that? 1 second. Let me just. Bang that there for the time being. So counting of swings, it's like one of the, so it's basically explained in video 1. It's so hard to show it now just because just damn ranging non-stop on Enki. But where's when was we not in a range? Let's just count this here. Actually, let's just show yesterday's stream. I'm not sure if you're in it. Where was yesterday? I don't know what day we're on personally. Thursday, so Wednesday. So these were the swings we had yesterday. So 1 here, so it's literally a low to your high. So we had a low here and a high put in. closed beneath this low here. So this is our new low here, and this is our protected high. So to turn bullish, we need to close above here, which we got here. So this is the next high that we put in here, and the next low that we put in. So then we need a closure above here, so which we got here. So a high and low continues. So we have 1, 2, and this will be our third swing, which we got here. So this is our next high. And then obviously to flip bearish, this is our protected low at the time. This is our current protected low. So we need a closure beneath here to turn bearish, which we got. But we knew from here that it was essentially just going to be a range. It's quite hard to count your swings when you are within a range. So it's good to know, it's good to realize when you're within a range. How did you do yesterday? I took one losing trade. If I'm being honest, I have no idea where it was. I believe I had a long and I got cooked to like 2 handles away from my TP and then it just plummeted down. But I cannot remember where it was. And then I took quite a few winners. I think I got 3 winners afterwards. I was waiting for this zone all day. I wanted a sweep. Okay, I did just take the long out of here. Just hit that buy stop. That's exactly what I just took. Let me pull it over. Why can I not show my other screen? Okay, it's giving me issues. So I took a buy stop from here. This is what it looked like with a 1-to-1 that just got filled. I was waiting for this one, but just because this was the last fractal we have on the 15 second, we do have this last fractal. I thought we could potentially come down to here. So we wicked and then tapped right back in. Very little drawdown. 6 handles. I have problems because of the range though. Counting works. Yeah, counting swings does work, and it can also be good to then, if you switch down to a 5 second, they still work. So you can still count your swings, and if we're between 4 and 6, and we're also near a sweep, you can then expect to pop back in. So at my target here, it was 20 handles, but someone could be targeting this. You could be targeting like the highs, but it's just not worth to hold on for that. Dave always tells us we don't have enough money to put in a high. He's definitely right. I actually do really like range days now. Just because I'm getting more confident in how to trade them. And this week we've had nothing but a range day. Other than like prior to news, but then we just go into a range like now. Sweep the bottom and we're back into the range. But for a sweep up here, back into the range. So you know exactly what you're looking for. Yeah, but I'm definitely gonna in about 5 minutes I'll wait until Dave goes live. Got about a minute before Dave goes live. I'm gonna close my stream up and I think you should all be going there anyway. I will be doing myself, so yeah, Dave's going live for the public on YouTube, so yeah, I did break my rules. You're right. DJ and Kyle is here. It technically was stupid, yes. That was a DJ and Kyle. Kyle trades will appear at 10:30, but it worked. Yeah, so if I would have got cooked, I would have had the exact reason, but The thing for waiting till 10:30, it's not like the ICT 10 to 11 silver bullet you're executing like on time. It's kind of just noticing that after 10:30 conditions can be better. So if you see really nice conditions, you could make that decision if you trust yourself. But because I knew we are within a range, I knew what conditions we were in. Because it is only just noticing that after 10:30 the conditions can be better. Why does... I cannot see this blue line on my stream. On my OBS on my other screen. But Monday to Wednesday, I've waited until 10:30 just to protect myself. But it was pretty clear to me that the conditions were in right now. So previous candles high also did get delivered, which you'll find a lot of the time when your 1-to-1 gets delivered. The previous candles high also does get delivered for it with this fractal. This is the candle that came into the fractal, and this is the previous candle's high. What did Dave post on Twitter? Someone was saying. I'm going to stream today and show you guys the difference in DTFX and IT and all the context except bookmark that doesn't work. Damn, he's saying on bookmark. Book map. Patrick Whelan's gonna be fuming. Yeah, 4 minutes until Dave goes live. I forget which stream or video it was, but I think Dave mentioned something along the lines of wait until after 10:30 or at least just before, so I'd say that set was close enough. Yeah, that is true. So it is just Dave realising that after 10:30 we can be cleaner, which is the case a lot of the time. Where was 10:30 yesterday? 10:30 was quite... So look at this. I'd say this is pretty choppy. This is quite choppy here. But even if you just look at all your charts and just mark 10:30 out, prior to it can be quite chaos, especially 9:30 open. 9:30 open can be crazy, like in your little stop loss, like in here, will be smoked. Definitely does know what he's talking about with that. Okay, I'm probably gonna start my stream up. Let me just see what time we're on. 10:30. It's probably gonna be the PM session now. I presume Dave's gonna stream until about dinner, maybe into dinner. So I'll start my stream up after Dave is done. So I encourage you all to go watch that also. So I'll catch you all in a bit.